Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Exploring the Farm. Right here.
It Emma's farm.
Yeah, our Lola's farm. Today we're gonna do whatever we can. Bye-bye. Okay guys, this time we are really gonna go explore the farm. Alright guys, over here is an entrance, and then we are going to the dirt stairs. Let's go, John. Up! Cobwebs. Okay, here. Okay. Let's go. Maybe. Okay, I'm already terrified.
Let me bet.
Down na, magdadaw na.
Okay guys, let's go down. Alright guys, now we are looking at the lemon.
Also the
Cocoas. I don't know what that means. Let's go. And then grapefruit. Yeah. And then
bananas.
yeah, but it's called
Oh,
plantain.
buy it.
Okay.
I don't like that tree now. I
And
think
then we have calamsi, which is the wrong spelling. It is supposed to be calamansi. And then
I didn't
Yeah.
know.
mandarin.
What?
And then we have butan. It's supposed to be
Broken.
rambutan. Let's go, Giants.
Also look. Pot.
Next, we have it here.
Pot.
I don't know how to pronounce that, so let's skip that one. And Bird of Paradise.
I don't know what.
Okay, let's go. Make sure to subscribe and put the notifications on and like it!
Also like the bell.
Yeah, I already said that. Let's go. And then, shit. Then sealer. Then a banana. Then, go to the big one.
Wow, because the big are already frozen.
Let's go up giants up. Wait. Yeah, a lot of things to show you. So,
I didn't know.
so stay in the video.
Like that's a boy.
See that? Take that down. Let's go. Okay, then let's go to the other side. Or other house. Alright then, John, let's go teleport. That was a hard ride. Well, guys, welcome to the basketball court.
Yeah.
Here it is.
Yeah. Our sponsor, my
Boy?
Dito lang.
my
Tito Wans?
our sponsor is my uncle's friend, Ninong Rans. He's in Michigan, so thank him for making this court. Okay, let's go. You may remember this from our Oh No, Oh No, Oh No, and also our Exploring the Farm basketball time. Let's go! Another dizzy ride. Let's go up. Oh! An unexpected dawn!
No.
Another underdog. Like Jody when we talk about him. Oreo, stop eating that bone.
Yeah.
Oreo, say hi to the camera. It's getting hot. Just let's go somewhere else.
Rapid report.
Wait, no, we should teleport. Alright, guys, time for biking time. Let's go. Hey guys, now I'm gonna go down the ramp while Janice is just going here. Bye bye! Alright guys, time to show you the special guest.
Yeah.
Right, time to meet our special guest. The man who made the star. My Lolo Arab.
Right in the
Hi.
Cuba.
My two grandson. Very
Because-
handsome boy.
Because he don't know how to do this.
He's a handsome boy too.
Look, I'll show you. I'll show he don't know how to do this because at the
Guys,
end.
stop.
Yes. Bang, bang, bang.
Okay, let's go.
Hi guys, I'm here now in the court.
I'm in this video too.
In the big bike.
Yes.
Wait, I'll get my other bike, but in my Kuyas. Heyo, I got my Kuyas bike.
Come back here.
No, I'm not. I'm back again.
Okay guys, we're gonna end the video. Sorry for not uploading since last year. I hope this makes it up. Bye!
Bye.
Alright, let's go. Ah.